talk about Selena Gomez, because once again, she's setting the record straight. Over the weekend, Selena took to TikTok to shut down body shamers who made comments about her appearance at the Emilia Pérez premiere in Los Angeles. Now, here's what happened. Selena was photographed with her hand over her stomach, and suddenly, people jumped to conclusions, saying she was trying to hide something. But Selena, she wasn't having it. She fired back, saying, "This makes me sick. I have SIBO in my small intestine. It flares up. I don't care that I don't look like a stick figure. I don't have that body. End of story." Let's pause here for a sec. SIBO, or small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, is a real condition. And according to the Mayo Clinic, it can cause bloating and abdominal pain. Not exactly something you want to deal with, right? For anyone who's felt judged for their body or gone through health challenges, Selena's words hit home. She's showing us all that it's okay to own who you are, flaws and all. Kind of like when a friend reminds you that being yourself is always better than trying to fit someone else's mold. So here's a big cheer for Selena for standing up to the trolls. She's giving us all a reminder to be kinder and to keep our judgments to ourselves. And that's how you shut down the haters, Selena style.